Hello YouTube, Stout79 is coming back with a Panini America redemption. No TTMs today, but we shall see what this is. Not too sure because they had a screw up with one of mine, so it took over 7 months. I don't know who could it be. Oh, nice. Drew Holiday. Blue 36 out of 50. Card number 160. So it's Panini Blue Diamond Cut, I guess. Very nice card right there. But that's it, YouTubers. Hopefully tomorrow. If not, hopefully soon. So there you go. Drew Holiday. Jersey inscribed. Panini. They gave me this instead of a Al Thornton silhouettes I was redeeming for, but the player, I guess, didn't have enough time to sign or something, their excuse. But I guess this is not too bad, so. Alright, YouTube. See ya.